In today's GeoSnap, we're going to take a look at how you can customize the new member default username suggestions in ArcGIS Online. Now in this case, I'm working for the town of GeoJDO, as we can see up here in our information bar, but my username is mbreak_UC4. This is because currently in our new member defaults, here in our settings, we have it set up to use the organization short name as the suffix. Now we're going to take a look at how we can change that. If we delete the organization short name, we can now add in our own custom option by writing GeoJDO, or you can select from one of the options above. Having hit enter, we're now ready to save this and apply it to a new username. Now let's see that in action. We're going to invite a new member to our organization via email. In this circumstance, I'm going to add the delightful Mark Ho. So as I'm inputting his information from his email, the username is going to automatically grab the prefix before the @ symbol and add in that new suffix that we've included of GeoJDO. And now the usernames create themselves. Now it's your turn. Let's see what you do.